Removing rust typically requires a lot of tedious hand sanding and scraping, or you have to buy a chemical rust remover, which are not only expensive but pretty toxic. Here's a better solution. It's a homemade rust remover using plain old molasses. That's right, believe it or not, molasses. What you want to do is start with a container and you add 9 parts water to 1 part molasses. In this case, it's about a half of this small paper cup. That's about it right there. It doesn't have to be exact, but about 9 to 1. So you're going to dump that in there, put in the molasses, mix it up just a little bit, and then you want to put in your rusty piece of hardware or tool, in this case a really rusty spade bit. Now the reason this works is based on a chemical reaction called the chelation process, which is where the molasses attacks the iron oxide in the rust and holds it in suspension. In this case, this is mostly surface rust, so we'll leave it in there for maybe 2 or 3 days, take it out and lightly scrape it or brush it off with a wire brush. For a more heavily corroded item, you might need to leave it in there for 2 weeks or so. Now you'll find this to be a really effective rust remover, although it is slow as molasses.